In this video, we have a quick chain rule derivative where our function is the square root of x squared plus 2. We recognize that as a function composition where the inner function is x squared plus 2. And we want to take the derivative of this thing. And it might be nice to start out by just re-expressing that square root as a fractional power. So there it is. We can write it as x squared plus 2 to the 1/2 power. Again, the x squared plus 2 is the inner function there. So now we proceed with our derivative by differentiating with respect to the interior function. In other words, we treat that interior function like a single variable just for a moment. And we have a straightforward power rule kind of derivative. I just get 1/2 times that inner function, again, just treating it naively like a single variable for the moment, to the negative 1/2. So we just brought the power down in front, subtracted 1 from the original exponent. That's the power rule. Now the chain rule says we have to tack on the derivative of the interior function, and that's a 2x. Our 2's are going to cancel here, and we can clean things up a little. We can rewrite the x squared plus 2 to the negative 1/2 as a 1 over square root x squared plus 2. So we end up with an x over square root x squared plus 2, and we're done with that one. If you enjoyed this video, or at least found it useful, check out another one by clicking one of the links on the left, or click the Zach's Lab logo on the right to explore dozens of physics and math playlists. As always, you can leave your questions, comments, and requests in the comments section below, and I'll get back to you within 24 hours. Thanks for watching Zach's Lab, and best of luck on your math and physics journey.